Do you want to know the secret to looking effortlessly chic in casual dresses after 40? Stick around because we will uncover the top dress styles that fashion icons swear by, but no one talks about. There's one dress on this list that every stylish woman over 40 can't live without. Join me to find out the dress that could become your new go-to and discover why it's adored by stylish women all over the world. Coming in at number 10 is the classic shirt dress. This versatile piece is a staple in every woman's wardrobe. Whether you're running errands or having brunch with friends, the shirt dress offers a polished yet relaxed look. Think Meghan Markle in her effortlessly chic shirt dresses. Pair it with sneakers for a casual vibe or dress it up with some statement jewelry. Trust me, this one's a keeper. Now, what makes the shirt dress so special? It's all about versatility. You can find them in various fabrics, from cotton to silk, making it easy to dress up or down. For a laid-back look, pair it with some comfortable sneakers and a crossbody bag. If you're heading out for a casual lunch, swap the sneakers for some ankle boots and add a chunky belt to cinch the waist. The shirt dress is perfect for those transitional seasons. Not too hot, not too cold. And let's not forget the pockets. Who doesn't love a dress with pockets? Next up, at number 9, we have the Maxi Dress, the ultimate in comfort and style. It's perfect for those days when you want to look put together without putting in too much effort. And the best part? It's flattering on all body types. Just ask Jennifer Lopez, who rocks the Maxi Dress like no other. Add a wide-brimmed hat and some sandals, and you're good to go. Maxi dresses come in so many styles and patterns. Floral, bohemian, solid colors, you name it. They're incredibly easy to wear and perfect for almost any casual occasion. Heading to a beach party? A flowy, floral maxi dress is your best friend. Going out for a summer evening stroll? Opt for a solid color with some statement jewelry. The length of the dress provides an elegant look while keeping you comfortable. And here's a tip. If you're on the shorter side, look for a maxi dress with a defined waist or try tying a knot at the bottom to avoid tripping over the fabric. Number 8 on our list is the wrap dress. This one's a game changer, ladies. The wrap dress cinches at the waist, highlighting your curves in all the right places. Diane von Furstenberg made this dress famous, and for good reason. It's elegant, comfortable, and oh so flattering. Wear it to a casual dinner or a day at the office. It's incredibly versatile. The beauty of the wrap dress lies in its adjustability. You can tighten or loosen it as needed, making it one of the most figure-flattering options out there. It's perfect for all body types and occasions. Whether you're having a casual day out or heading to a semi-formal event, the wrap dress has got you covered. Pair it with wedges for a daytime look or strappy heels for an evening out. And don't shy away from bold prints. They add a fun twist to this classic silhouette. Plus, the V neckline is universally flattering and adds a touch of elegance. Coming in at number 7 is the sweater dress. Perfect for those chilly days when you want to stay warm without sacrificing style. Sweater dresses are incredibly comfortable and can be dressed up or down depending on the occasion. Think of stylish women like Jennifer Aniston, who often wears cozy yet chic sweater dresses. Pair it with knee-high boots for a sophisticated look, or with ankle boots for a more casual vibe. Sweater dresses come in a variety of lengths and styles, from fitted to oversized. They're perfect for layering. You can add a scarf, a belt, or even a statement necklace to change up the look. For a casual day out, wear your sweater dress with some comfortable flats and a long coat. If you're heading to a casual dinner, swap the flats for heeled boots and add some bold jewelry. The soft knit fabric keeps you cozy while looking effortlessly stylish. And don't forget, sweater dresses are great for transitioning from fall to winter. At number 6, we have the midi dress. This style is a favorite for those who want to achieve a polished yet comfortable look. The midi dress falls between the knee and ankle, offering a flattering length for all body types. Think of women like Julianne Moore, who often wears midi dresses with elegance and ease. Midi dresses come in various styles, from fitted to flowy, and can be easily dressed up or down. For a casual day out, pair a flowy midi dress with sandals and a sun hat. If you're heading to a more formal event, opt for a fitted midi dress with heels and some statement jewelry. The versatility of the midi dress makes it a wardrobe staple. Whether you prefer bold prints or solid colors, the midi dress is perfect for showcasing your personal style while staying comfortable and chic. Number 5 is the ALine Dress. This style is perfect for creating a flattering silhouette. It nips in at the waist and flares out, making it great for any body type. Kate Middleton is often seen wearing ALine dresses, and she always looks impeccable. It's a great option for casual get-togethers or even a casual day at work. The ALine dress is a classic for a reason. It accentuates the waist while allowing for movement and comfort. You can find ALine dresses in a variety of fabrics and patterns, making it easy to find one that suits your personal style. For a casual day look, go for a cotton or linen ALine dress paired with ballet flats. If you're heading to an afternoon tea or a casual workday, opt for a more structured fabric like tweed or wool. The ALine shape is timeless and always elegant. It's perfect for those who want a bit of sophistication in their casual wardrobe. Next up, at number 4, is the slip dress. This dress is all about minimalism and elegance. It's perfect for layering. Throw on a cardigan or a blazer, and you're set. It's lightweight, making it great for warmer weather. Think of Cindy Crawford, who makes the slip dress look effortlessly glamorous. You can dress it up or down with the right accessories. Slip dresses are incredibly versatile and can be styled in numerous ways. For a casual daytime look, pair it with a denim jacket and some cute sneakers. If you're heading out for an evening event, swap the jacket for a tailored blazer and add some strappy heels. The slip dress is also perfect for layering in cooler weather. Try wearing it over a fitted turtleneck or under a cozy knit sweater. The silky fabric adds a touch of luxury to your casual wardrobe, making you feel elegant and chic with minimal effort. Coming in at number 3 is the Sheath Dress. This dress is perfect for those who prefer a sleek, streamlined silhouette that skims the body without being too tight. It's a favorite among stylish women like Michelle Obama, who often opt for this elegant yet comfortable style. Sheath dresses are incredibly versatile and can be dressed up or down depending on the occasion. For a daytime look, pair your sheath dress with flats and a light cardigan. If you're heading out for a casual evening, swap the flats for heels and add some statement jewelry. The sheath dress is particularly flattering as it creates a long, lean line and can be found in a variety of fabrics and patterns. Whether you prefer solid colors or bold prints, the sheath dress is a chic addition to any wardrobe. At number 2, we have the Boho Dress. This style is all about comfort and free-spirited vibes. It's great for casual outings, and the intricate patterns and flowy fabric add a touch of whimsy to your wardrobe. Halle Berry is a fan of the boho style, and she always looks effortlessly cool. Pair it with some strappy sandals, and you're ready for any casual event. Boho dresses are perfect for those who love a relaxed, artsy vibe. They often feature unique prints, lace details, and flowy fabrics that move beautifully. For a casual daytime look, pair your boho dress with flat sandals and a floppy hat. If you're heading to a music festival or an outdoor event, add some statement jewelry and ankle boots for a more eclectic look. Boho dresses are all about expressing your individuality and embracing a carefree spirit. They're comfortable, stylish, and perfect for making a fashion statement without trying too hard. And the top spot goes to the little black dress. This is the style that every fashion-forward woman swears by. The little black dress is incredibly versatile. It's perfect for any occasion and can be dressed up or down with ease. Whether it's a simple solid color or a fun print, the little black dress is a wardrobe essential. Think of style icons like Audrey Hepburn, who made the little black dress an iconic piece, or more contemporary examples like Jennifer Aniston, Angelina Jolie, and Victoria Beckham. It's elegant, comfortable, and undeniably chic. Trust me, you'll want to add this to your wardrobe. The beauty of the little black dress lies in its simplicity and elegance. It can be styled in countless ways to suit any occasion. For a casual daytime look, pair it with ballet flats and a light cardigan. Heading to an evening event? Swap the flats for heels, add some statement jewelry, and you're ready to shine. The little black dress is a blank canvas that you can transform with accessories, from pearls to chunky necklaces, from leather jackets to blazers. The possibilities are endless. It's the ultimate go-to dress that every woman should have in her wardrobe. Now, I want to hear from you. Which dress style is your favorite, and why? Do you have any go-to casual dresses that make you feel fabulous? Leave your answers in the comments below. I love reading your thoughts and tips. If you enjoyed watching this video, you're definitely going to love this next one.